Try the kitchen.
All right, let's try this.
Taking him through the kitchen.
If you listen carefully, you hear the static.
I think you killed him.
I can't tell if he looks sick. Phinneas, it's okay, babe. I'm not laughing at you.
There you go.
Come on, baby. Come on.
Hi.
Come on. Come on. Okay? He's really upset at this. Okay, let's hit the door again, so. Ready, Phinneas? Come on. Let's go. Come on. We're going outside, dude. That's what you always wanted.
Hello?
Is this really irritating you emotionally? Or is this like, are you messing with me? Baby, come on. You look dead. Are you ticked at me?
No, his ears aren't back. I think he's actually enjoying it.
He's like catatonic. No pun intended. Sorry, babes. Put your fingers down. He's really playing dead. Are you mad at me? Baby, come on. Come on. What do I do? Oh, sorry. Come on, baby. Come on. Let's go outside. Baby, come on. Now we get to go outside.